Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can see your results, or rather how you can see your statistics and other things in chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you need to do is you need to log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and you need to either click on your account, or alternatively, in the easier way, you can go and hover over the chess.com logo and then click on profile, or rather on stats, sorry. You click on stats, and once you're here, you can see all your statistics for every single game mode that you've played. You have dailies, daily 960, bullets, bullet, rapid, whatever you want. And here you can see all your stats for 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, and all time. And as you can see, these are your general stats. However, if you select from the stats menu, if you select the game mode that you want, in my case, I'll select bullet, you can see the stats and your rating for the bullet game mode. As you can see, mine is currently 283. It was 322 when I opened the account, so I kind of went down a bit. But yeah, that is pretty much what you need to do to see your statistics and to see your rating. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.